Morning students. Today we are going to read the story about the clever crab. Children, just tell me, have you ever been greedy? Okay, do you like chocolates? And eating many chocolates has harmed you a lot? So greed is a curse. This is what we are going to read and learn in this story. And as you all know that crab lives in the water bodies like rivers, ponds, seas. And where do they found the maximum? In the sea. So listen the story and enjoy. Once upon a time, there lived a stork near a big pond. The stork would catch fish from the pond for food. And as the time went by, the stork grew old and could no longer catch fish. He grew very thin and weak. So one day, he got an idea and started crying by the pond. So fish asked, why was he crying? Stork said that he has come to say goodbye to his friends because he's moving somewhere else. And he said that his friends have just told him that this year there will be no rain and this pond will soon dry up. So why was he saying all this? Because he became very thin and weak and he did not want to work, and without work he wanted to have food. So that is why he said this lie to the fish. So the fish together asked, what will happen to us then? We will die without water. So the stork said, that is what has upset me. You're right, my friends, and I'm sorry I might lose you, but I need to fly to other pond across the hills. And he said that he has an idea, but they would like to take a chance. So fish said, yeah, please tell us your idea. So he said that what plan he has, that he is going to carry each one of them one by one across the hill to the other pond. The fish were a little worried because they all knew that the stork could eat them, but they wanted to save their lives, so they said, okay, we agree. And there were also a witty crab who lived in the pond, but he did not trust the stork. So the crab said, listen, fish, the stork may not be telling the truth. Let us stay here and see whether the pond actually starts drying up or not. But all the fish did not wish to die. So the stork is trying to help us. This is what they thought. And if you do not wish to come, you can stay here alone. This is what they all said to the crab. So the next day onwards, the stork began to carry the fish across the mountain, and soon the pond was empty of all the fish. So one day, stork said to crab that your friends are waiting all there on the other side of the pond, and today I too shall leave this place. Do let me take you across to other pond. The crab actually did not trust the stork, but seeing no other way out, he agreed. He said, okay, but please do be careful. So while they were all flying, the crab spotted fish bones scattered all over the hill. He soon realized that the greedy stork had killed all his friends, and he quickly dug his pincers into the stork's neck and did not let go till the stork started bleeding. And he also said in the end that this is how you should repay the trust of my friends placed in you. Now you too shall suffer. So the cruel stork died and the witty crab lived to tell this tale to others. So children, what we have learnt from this story, that we should never be greedy, because greed is a curse.